How to create a stock market account step by step just on your phone screen. For this, I will show you how to open the DMAT account and what will be the documents you will need for creating this account in India or any country you live. For doing this, there are some basic steps what you have to do is steps for opening a DMAT account online. This is the official website I'm showing you, so you can trust it and follow the steps as I'm showing you. After proper research and consideration, choose a safe and secure DP website of your liking and visit the website page. Choose the option Open DMAT account. When you arrive at the DP website, that is stock market website, you have to click on Open DMAT account and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, the third step is you will have to enter your personal, your professional, your email address, and your office details, such as your income and other areas as well. After filling in all the details, you will receive an one-time OTP on your phone number or maybe on your Gmail ID also. Fifth is submit the required documents for opening DMAT account. If you're from India, then you have to use your PAN and Aadhaar card. But if you are from out of India and from anywhere in the world, you will need your national identity card. Now, yes, that is quite simple. After finishing or submitting your document or your government ID, your account will be verified under 48 hours and you will be able to use it. Thank you so much for watching it.